Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to find song name in iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you want to find any song name on your iPhone, all you need to do is swipe down the control center, locate and click on song recognition or music recognition. If this is missing, press on the control center, click on add the control. Now go ahead and search for recognize song. You see that? Click on it. Then this is going to add this to your control center. You can expand it to make it visible. Now go ahead and click on recognize music and then play your music.
I became obsessed. Am I that?
You see that? You should see the name of the music, and if you click on it, you'll be able to play this music via the Apple Music or via Shazam, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to find music name or song name using iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.